Hi developers, I'm Giuseppe and today I'm gonna show you how to create a new .NET Maui project. First of all, let me say something quickly about Maui. It's a cross-platform framework for creating native mobile and desktop apps with C# and XAMPP that you can run on Android, iOS, macOS and Windows from a single shared code base. It is very useful when you want to create a mobile project because you will save a lot of time and money. So, let's create a new project. I'm using Visual Studio 2022 version 17.8 for developing. If you don't have Visual Studio installed yet, you can download it from the Microsoft web page. During the installation, it's very important to flag these two boxes in order to install the components of NetMowi you need. After the installation, open Visual Studio and click on Create a new project. Search Maui, click on this one, click on Next, and enter the project name. Click on Next, and choose the .NET version you want to use. After that,
Click on Create. Hold 1 second. And this is how your project appears. On the center, there is a default page that you have when you create a .NET Maui project. Inside this page, there is a lot of documentation that you should read. On the right, there are all those folders and pages that are inside of your project. Clicking on one of them, you can see the code behind that you can edit. For the testing, you can click on this button that will run the app on your own PC. This is the default app. You can also test your application on Android emulators that you could have on your project. And for test the app on Apple devices, you need to connect your Windows PC to a Mac. I hope everything was clear and thanks for watching the video. Bye.